everybody? I'm Bub. Welcome back to the Hub's Food Reviews. Go grab yourself a plate. Let's make it a date right back here to Grub. Damn. I think I'm dying, guys. Too much chocolate. Today we're having a little Easter. It's a little Easter Hershey candy. Easter was what, 3 months ago? My God, you would think this candy was going bad, right? Shit, candy has the shelf life of a fucking Twinkie. You know what I mean? But yeah, this is a little Hershey chocolate. Oh God. Oh God, weird. I don't know if chocolate feels like it kind of eggs a little bit. I don't know. Maybe it has a hint of cyanide or something in it. We'll soon find out. The rich chocolate goodness of a Hershey rabbit 3 or 4 months ago. Well, let me tell you something. Oh, I don't feel quite right. Oh shit. I think I had too much. Oh God. I think I had too much diabetes, guys. Oh my God. We'll lay down for